Hi you guys, and welcome back to Mochi Design. Today we are going to look at Figma. This is my very first time in Figma, very first time. I'm interested in looking and figuring out if Figma is user friendly or not and what's going on with it, at least to the same level that I do Adobe XD, because I'm kind of new there as well, and I do find Adobe XD to be pretty user friendly. So let's see. This first button here says main menu, so let's look at this main menu here. So first we have this on the left. We have file, edit, view, object, vector, text, arrange, plugins, which there are a lot of plugins that I noticed when I first came into this program. Integrations, dribble, interesting. Preferences, libraries, help, and end account. Now they also have design, which I just moved this over. Design, prototype, and back. Interesting. That is interesting as well. Okay, so what I was looking that I see is interesting is that the inspect has the CSS code, Android, and iOS. So the codes like kind of just pop up there. Interesting. So okay, we have frame, slice, we have move, scale, rectangle, line, star, place, image, pen, pencil, text. That must be to move the screen around and give feedback. Cool. So let's just do a simple website and see what we can come up with very simply. So here's the rectangle. So this is what I usually would do. So interesting, there isn't an actual like start of the page, so that's interesting. I wonder if there's something where I can just put in a set. Let me see, create component. Okay, I made that into a component. Well, I like the interface. Like, I like how it's made. I don't know, something about it is just, I like it. And of course Control Z, but I was just checking that out. And I don't want this as a component yet. Okay, so let's add a color. So here's the fill. There we are. How about if I want a border? Is there something that I can make a border? There we go. Yes. Outside, center. And I want to see if this inspect. Ooh, with height, blend, CSS, absolute width, background 5. Oh my goodness. I like this. I don't know. See, I am new to Adobe XD as well, so I don't know if there's some. I'm pretty sure there has to be some type of add-on that you can add to do some of these things, but it's nice that it's on here already, or at least maybe there is something that I'm missing with that one. So I have to look that up again, but the fact that I was able to quickly find that on Figma first time, and that's really good. So that is cool. But it's cool that you can do the vector in Figma. But let us go back again, and let's add some text. So what is our website going to be about? Our test website. So I actually have something next to me. This is toxic waste nuclear fusion, hazardously sour candy. So maybe we can make a website about that really quick, like super quick. It's not a real website. So toxic waste, and we're gonna make this really big. That's the same thing I usually do with Edge. So this is something I learned about Adobe XD recently. You hit the space, and now you can move the things around by clicking. After you hit the space, it turns into the little hand, and then you can move around. So let's see, and it does the same thing with Figma. So I want to change this. I want to make it bigger, and let's see. Sorry about the noise. What was that noise? Anyway, why did I do that? So let's do white. Let's make it a lot bigger because this is the title. Let us center it, and I want to drag it. There we go. Okay, get it. I want to get it in the middle of the page. Very good. Now I don't have any pictures or anything ready for this, but that is, so I am going to see how easily it is to get a picture in here. Let's see. Okay, so that was very easy. It was just like opening up and placing an image in any of the software. So here we are. Okay, so now I want to see, can I make the opacity lower? Ooh, did I just erase it? I don't know what I did with that, so let's bring it back. Oh, look at that. Okay, I don't remember this in Adobe XD. I feel like, do I just not know Adobe XD very well? I'm gonna make this lighter, and up the saturation, tint it like the background, highlight. Okay, so we have this picture going on here. Oh, here's the drop shadow. Oh my goodness. What about a background blur? I was hearing this thing that someone was saying the background blur, if you blur it and then it makes a cool look. But I want layer. Let's try layer blur. Yeah. But can I make the blur like stronger? There we go. Oh, that's too much. 50. 20. It's like a light blur. Let's try 5. I'm gonna do a little more than 5. 10. Oh, not 500. 500 made it disappear. Did you guys see that? 10. There we go. So now, okay, so now we see that the toxic waste part went down. So now we're going to bring this to the back. Ooh, but not that far to the back. Okay, so let's send this one to the back. I don't want a yellow. I'm not sure if it's going to show up well with the yellow, but I kind of want a yellow color with a stroke of red. Interesting. It's interesting. I actually really like it. I don't know if it's just because I haven't done Adobe XD in so long. Not so long, it's only been a few days, but it's making me like try to play around with designs again instead of looking at other people's designs. This is something I did with my other website. And I have that video on this channel, but I kind of want to put it to the side. See, I love the blur because it doesn't. Oh, here's this button. Okay, and can we like cut this off? Is there a way to like do this? Let's see, let's go back. Alright, there's probably a way. Do I know the way is the thing. But is anyone else this picture's making them feeling a little blurry? So these words, this is something that I feel like I need to work on. Ooh, look at all of these fonts. Oh my goodness. Figma is really good. Like, I am loving Figma right now. Something circular, like a circular font. Let's see if I can find one that's not circular, but it reminds me of toxic waste a little bit. And I want this bigger. Hey, so ooh, well, we'll do prototypes another time, but this is what we did today with the first time that I've ever been on there, just clicking around, and I actually really liked it. So yeah, I want to learn more. So yeah, so this is great. I really enjoyed this. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me on my first time on Figma, so that is cool. And I'm sure I'll have much more time on Figma in the future, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. And please subscribe to this video to watch my journey. Bye, you guys.